If there's one thing that could literally save your life as a young person coming up and make sure all your hard work doesn't go to waste, it's this. When you finally achieve something big, when you finally hit that milestone you've been dreaming of for a long time, learn the life-saving skill of keeping quiet, especially in the first phase of that success. The first few days, the first few weeks, even months. And this is not because some mysterious enemies are waiting to destroy your success. It's actually you that might mess it up. And I'll explain how. One of the worst things you can experience is working so hard, looking forward to something for a long time, then finally achieving it. And boom, it's short-lived. See, as human beings, we're wired to get a rush, a sense of satisfaction, a dopamine hit, when we finally accomplish something important. But the thing is, that same dopamine can become your downfall if you don't understand how to control it. There are people who get that dopamine too early. That's why if you have a great idea, an idea you know could change your life, and you start telling everybody, yo, this is what I'm about to do, this is what I'm planning, but you haven't put in any real work behind the scenes, you'll probably never do it. Look at your own life. How many ideas have you shared with people before even starting? Exactly. You never did them. So what should you do? You're supposed to take the first few most important steps, start building it in silence. Then, when you've made actual progress, you can begin to tell people. Why? So they can support you emotionally. So they can hold you accountable. Because you've already put skin in the game. But if it's just an idea and you're already telling the world, you're getting that dopamine before you've earned it. And that will kill your drive. Let me give you a real-life scenario. Someone lands a remote job with an international company right before finishing university. At that time, they're still in their final year, dealing with final projects and graduation stress. But they've got this big win in their hands, a job offer they've been praying for. Now most people would rush to announce it. They'd post it online, tell all their classmates, go around flexing. But this person chooses a different route. They only tell their mom and a sibling. No social media post. Why? Because they know that the job hasn't started yet, and surviving that job would require learning fast, growing fast, and adapting under pressure. So instead of shouting about it, they go quiet. They bury their head in work. They start studying the tools, preparing for the real experience. Fast forward a few months. They're not only doing well, they've built credibility in that job, learned critical skills, and grown confidence. And that's when they start opening up about the story. At that point, it's no longer potential, it's proof. So yes, celebrate your wins. Talk to your people. Toast with your inner circle. But please, please, learn when to celebrate. Learn when to speak. And most importantly, learn what you're attaching your dopamine to. Because that one decision can shape your future. Don't celebrate too early. Don't speak too early. Learn to be quiet. If this message hit you deeply, then you'll want to watch the other videos I've made around success psychology, mindset, and discipline. They'll give you the full picture. So after this, don't just scroll away. Go check out those other ones. They're packed with the same energy and clarity. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video, drop a comment to let us know how it resonated with you. And don't forget to subscribe, because this is the type of content we're showing up with consistently.